This video is the second in my series on using graphical analysis to graph lab data in physics. In this video, I will explain how to add proper labels and units to the data you have already graphed, so watch video number 1 if you need help actually entering your data or adjusting the axes scales. On the data table, click the 3 horizontal dots in the X column of data and select Column Options. Enter a title for your data. For my experiment, I graphed time on the x-axis, so I will type time. I use seconds for my unit, so I will type S as the unit. If you want to adjust the precision of your displayed data values or use scientific notation, you can do that here as well. Once you're satisfied, click Apply, and you'll return to your graph. Notice that the x-axis has been updated and now reads time, parentheses seconds, as it should. Use the same steps to change the name and units for the y-axis. For my data, I have position values on the y-axis measured in meters. Now that my axes are properly labeled, the last thing I need to do is add a title to my graph. To do this, click on the Graph Tools icon at the bottom left of your screen and choose Edit Graph Options. The first line on the pop-up box is for a title. For my graph, I will enter the title Position versus Time for a car rolling down a ramp. Note that when referring to a graph, it is conventional to list the y variable versus the x variable. If you haven't already, make sure to save your graph by clicking where it says Untitled at the top left corner, adding a file name, and saving your file to Google Drive.